Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to put lighting to your model that you have taken from library. Okay, so let's say here I have one panel that is using a system cabinet, and then I did put mirror to this panel. So how can we do for the lighting without using system cabinet function? Alright, so you can just go to decoration. So under decoration we have lighting, click to fill light, and then you scroll down until you see the round light strip. Okay, so let's say I put it to this model, and I resize my light strip by pressing C. Okay, you can just key into the number if you want to, but if you want to use manual, you can just press C. Okay, and then to move around, I press Z. Okay, I press Z, and I hold on my control button to avoid it move downward. Okay, resize accordingly to the what do we call, mirror. So that is how you put lighting without using system function. Alright, resize according to your wall, your mirror by using fill light, decoration, fill light, and using this one. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.